Guys, this is the finished result of my makeup look. I'm wearing weaves, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of Chit on my hair. And now I'm going to apply my pencil. I'm also going to apply my foundation properly. So I tend to marketing myself, looking for new leads, new clients. I also write short story books. So if you go on my website, ekenepatience.com/short stories, you'll find the link below this video. You'll find my exciting short stories. My short stories are very exciting. I write about romance, love, suspense. So you guys should read it. And if you wish to sponsor my short story writing skills, or if you want to support me or sponsor my filming space, you're highly welcome to do so. I'll be happy to read out my short stories for you, and of course, do website design and social media marketing gigs for you. Guys, I have got a little vanity ongoing here. You get to see my current favorite beauty items, how I apply makeup. I'm also going to share with you the beautiful city approach to them and more. So enjoy. Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to share with you how I take care of my hair, how I relax my hair, how I apply my makeup and more. So this is going to be a fun video. Enjoy. Guys, this is how my hair looks like. I've finished washing my body. I'm going to start off with my makeup application. So I'm going to wear my natural hair today. It's not looking bad at all, and my face is also looking good. No blackheads, no blemishes. So what is the secret? To buy oil and making sure my skin stays hydrated, applying lots of lotion after washing my body, skincare items or rituals, and also practicing hygiene, washing my body a couple of times in a day. So that's how you can achieve a clear looking beautiful skin. So that's my hair. I'm happy with it. My skin, I'm going to use spa mask for my body to make it shine. Guys, I have finished relaxing my hair. As you can tell, my natural hair looks good and well relaxed. So I'm going to use my favorite Victoria's Secret to, I'm going to apply this on my hair. It's body mist, so you can apply it on your hair as well. So I'll just apply it just a little quantity. I also use this Ritual body oil to wash my body. This is a very good product, Ritual V-Ink. You can buy it from any Ritual shop or from Bob.com. So I use this to wash my body. I also use the shower foam. So you get to see more of the beauty products from the brand Rituals. I enjoy using Ritual skincare products. Some of you wish to know, aside from being a photo model and a makeup artist, what do I do with my spare time? Whenever I have free spare time, I usually use it to market myself, my beauty services, web design services. So how do I do that? I tend to call companies, hotels, beauty shops. Many of you know that I'm a photo model, so I enjoy creating beautiful pictures, like portrait pictures wearing lovely outfits, and I also like to do this chit chat video with you guys. So because I'm a photo model, most times photographers like to see my portfolio, so I tend to share with you all, most of the photographers, my portfolio. So that's why I decided to be active as a web designer. So I have several websites that I tend to share with you, not only my pictures but my current favorite goods and services. So I'm going to talk to you guys about blacknow.me and blacknow.org. So blacknow.me is a website I created like a few years ago And Black Not That's Me, I tend to share with you guys my favorite fashionable wears, right? So a few years ago I decided to create several pages like Dutch Delight, French Delight, American Delight, and I also added so many goods and services on the top page, you know, some top-notch brands such as Hermes, Prada, Dior, Gucci, just to encourage you all to, you know, shop from these brands. Some of these brands I have used and I do highly recommend them. For example, I've used MAC Cosmetics. So many of you that has been following me for the past years has seen me wear African prints on this channel. So sometimes I use materials from Flisco to design a dress, okay? And many of you has seen it, and many of you has asked me, hey Kenny, where did you get this African print from? So African prints, I usually get them right like already made. This is already made. Sometimes I get the material and have it done, or sometimes I receive it as a gift. Okay, so Flisco is a very famous company in the Netherlands. So Flisco is enlisted on my website Black Not That's Me, so you can actually buy I'm going to throw some highlights of what I've been doing on my other websites such as ekenepatience.com. For example, I've enlisted some top-notch musicians on ekenepatience.com/music. So I'm promoting Coldplay, Maroon 5, King of Leon, Adele, Issa DeLong, Marco Bussato. I'm promoting Nick Simon, what they call music, Davido, Whiskey. So these are top-notch musicians. I do encourage you guys to listen to their music. They're very, very good. So this is more of my makeup look. Lovely dress. Do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Next, I'm going to wear the second wave and share with you the result. So I'm going to add this liquid one on the front side of my natural hair and all over my hair, so that the weave will stay in place. Because many people, they have different technique. Many women, they have different technique of how they dress their own hair. For me, I have my own. This one is hair gel from the brand the Cone. This is a very good hair gel. It's about 15 euros, which is in naira. It's almost 20,000. It's a lot of money. So this is what I'm going to add on my hair. I'll just use a little quantity more. Hair, look, I'm looking like Chanel baby. I'm looking very pretty. So I will now add it like this before I will now put the wig on. So by the time I put the wig on, it will stay kiddiba on my hair. I'm speaking Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm going to switch in between and speak British English, Dutch. Okay, so bear with me if you don't understand me very more properly. So it kept so yours days there of my hair aangebraakt. Ik ga nu die pruik aandoen, beetje heat aanbrengen en laat jullie zien het resultaat. So I make sure my hair is properly and also I'll create center pattern. I'm going to create center pattern on this hair. Yeah, it's going to look pretty. Before I apply it, I like to wear hair gel on the front side of my hair. I will spray my natural hair with hair gel, the liquid one, and I also use the solid one and put it on the front side of my hair before we apply it. So most of you that like to know how to dress weave, this will come in handy for you. So whenever you buy your wig, make sure you wash it properly with corn shampoo or Andre Long shampoo or L'Oreal shampoo or shampoo from any other brands, but it's important to wash your hair properly, because when you wash your weave, it's going to be more pretty and you will like it. So yeah, you can even add color. You can buy hair dye from L'Oreal or from Sayos, from Ethos or Cravats. You can add hair color or your hair extension. You can make it red, you can make it purple. It all depends on the color that you like. For example, this one In the past, I added hair color. You can see it's a little bit brown here. You can add color on your hair. This is my stylish outfit for today. My hairdo. It's not looking bad. So guys, I have removed the other one. I'm going to put on this one. This one has a little bit of highlight on it, and the texture of this hair is different from the other one, so I'm just going to put it on and add a little bit of heat. This one has, like, you know, the styling is different. I like it, so I'm just going to brush it. My face will look a little bit different now. See, it's not looking bad though. I'm going to add a little bit of heat as well on it. I'll be back. This is more of my hair. My outfit for today. So I'm just going to put on this weave. I'm sure you guys are going to like it on me.